Always an interesting one, always. So what we've got is the 3.6 litre V6 engine in a VE Commodore. Issue was it was blowing an ECU fuse, so the ECU injector fuse. We've rectified that, so at the back of the engine there's a right angle, so engine mount, the wiring wraps around it and it cuts into the ECU wiring harness to injectors, and it was blowing the fuse. So I think I've covered this on another video, but it was this fuse right here. So lo and behold, we've fixed that for the customer. Fuse isn't blowing, car's starting, but we're missing 2, 4 and 6. So this bank with the oil filler cap is not firing at all. So the engine's stopping it from firing. Yes, it can control it in these engines. It sees something out of reference. The engine pulls fuel back and stops firing on those cylinders. We've had a look at camshaft correlation, making sure we're good. We've had a look at, so we've checked out camshafts, exhaust and intake, both sides. They were running the same. We've checked fuel trim. The engine was trimming the fuel back on bank 2 as it should, because it should be trimming the fuel back if it's got a fault with it and it can't determine the fault. The fault codes we were getting is multiple cylinder misfire, 2, 4 and 6. So we've done some more diagnosis. We've called a friend as well, because experience comes into everything with these guys. Sometimes you can be reading the data and just not see a fault. Yes, the vehicle may not even give you a fault code. And in the end, so obviously it was a 2-stage problem. ECU fuse blown, engine won't start. In the end, we ended up finding that our catalytic converter is completely blocked. So we've removed the catalytic converter, we've started the engine, and we've lost our multiple cylinder misfire. The engine can breathe. Now we haven't got the fault. So we'll have to put a catalytic converter on it and get it back to the customer. I'm sure they'll be rapt to have their car back. We're not the only person that's looked at this. It's been changed hands a few times. Couldn't be rectified. It's taken us a little bit, but you know, at least we found the problem. So sometimes, guys, I'm getting at, sometimes you can read all your data, you can go through all that, analyze it. If you can't see the fault, it could be a problem outside the ECU's measures. So there's no pressure sensors in the exhaust, so there's no chance that the computer can see that. I actually have seen one of these engines destroyed over a blocked exhaust, no scavenge retardant in the fuel, and burnt out a cylinder, piston that side. Anyway, thanks lads, we'll get this one sorted and get on to the next one.